आप देख रहे हैं कर्तव्य एवं निष्ठा का बयान, साहित्य और संस्कृति का बयान, समता की आवाज बयान टीवी। Good evening friends, I am Sakshi Gautam and you can see also watch the Bayan TV. Welcome back to book review on Buddha on Happiness by Dr. K.P. Vasnik. Recently, very important book on Buddha and his teachings has been released. The book Buddha on Happiness is very important addition in the voluminous literature and Buddha and his teachings. It emerged as the best-seller book within the short span of time. This book is written by Dr. K.P. Vasnik, New Delhi. He has contributed about 50 scholarly articles on agricultural development, training and extension in various journals and newspapers. Today, people all over the world are curious to know about life on Buddha and teachings. After Mahaparinirvan of Buddha, a lot of literature has been published by several sects, subsets, and learned scholars who have described the Buddha's teaching in a highly academic and perplexing manner. The book Buddha on Happiness by the renowned author Dr. K.P. Vasnik described the teachings of Buddha for the use of a common man in a simple language. Teachings of the Buddha are extremely vast. This book covers the basic precepts of Buddha Dhamma. He discussed almost everything which is commonly accepted as the essential teachings of Buddha, like 4 noble truths, 5 precepts, 8-fold path, 10 Paramitra concept of emptiness, impermanence, cause and effect, middle path, Pratyaya Samutpada, meditation technique, and Nibbana that will ensure calm of disturbed mind. This book offers as insight to transform suffering and happiness. It shows how to develop kindness towards ourselves and cultivate a compassionate attitude towards our own pains and that of others. The author Dr. K.P. Vasnik, who is an eminent scholar, has put intense hard work and immense wisdom in understanding the teachings of the Buddha and consolidated them in a summarized manner. I am sure this book would serve as a useful guide to those who have sincere and genuine desire to know the core teachings of the Buddha and other aspects of Dhamma, as the same are explained in an easy manner and can be understood without prior knowledge of the subject. Those have read this book said that a book has helped in shaping of my personality and I experience very calm and peaceful in my daily routine. I strongly feel that everyone must read this book to eliminate poisons in mind and polish our behavior in family and society. This is an excellent book on Buddha and his teaching I ever read. Another reader from northeastern region of India said it is very informative book. What I like is simple language of book. I always wanted to know about Gautam Buddha. This book helped me a lot. Earlier I only heard about Vipassana, but now I am able to understand it. This book also tells about happiness and peaceful life. It may be definitely applied to our daily life. One reader who is also law student from Mumbai expressed that this well-researched and perfectly articulated book has helped me learn new insights on the legendary Buddha and his teachings on happiness. Very spiritual, profound and well written and concise, great introduction when you are curious in understanding Buddhism. I highly recommend this book for anyone interested in knowing about Buddha and his spiritual journey on happiness. One more scholar from USA said that the one curical thing that I can suggest about this book is its simplicity in language that allows you to read without looking at the English dictionary. I do appreciate the author Dr. K.P. Vasnik for collecting such excellent material in a single bundle. This is one of the informative and enjoyable books that I have found which can be implemented practically in our daily lives. One searching from great but straightforward literature on Buddha's teaching must read this book once at least. I would recommend this book to all who want a peaceful life.
This book has been just released for the reader and published by the Blue Rose publisher, Connaught Place, New Delhi. While reading the Buddha and his teaching, I have found that there is a lot of literature available in the market which is written by the very learned scholars, the monks, and then religious gurus also. Most of the literature is beyond the comprehension of the common man, which is very difficult to understand what was the Buddha's teaching. Keeping this in view, I decided to bring out a very simple book which can be understood by the common man, those who don't know anything about the Buddha and his teaching also. I hope this book may be preferred by the people, those who wish to know more about the Buddha and his teachings. This book is available on the Amazon.in and other online platforms. Thank you.
आपके अपने बयान टीवी चैनल को लाइक शेयर के साथ सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद घंटी का बटन दबाना न भूलें। जाते जाते अपनी कीमती राय कमेंट्स बॉक्स में जरूर लिखें।